And out in the upstate of South Carolina, down closer to Greenville, Spartanburg, they're seeing some of that freezing rain. And so what we're going to watch is that pushes over our area over the next couple of hours. Our conditions will get even worse as that freezing.
Alright, we are in the middle of a snowstorm, and this is end of January 2026. It's the 23rd or 24th, and you can see cars are pretty well covered. We've actually got a band of rain coming. It's supposed to be freezing rain, and it is probably in the teens right now, maybe low 20s at the highest. And the ground is just solid. It's pretty much ice, almost completely frozen. It'll freeze tonight. So gotta get through this one rainstorm, and it'll be freezing rainstorm. And that's going to go for the next several hours, maybe from about 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., something like that. I think we're pretty set on power, so if something happens, we got gas logs and all that, so we should be good. Freezing rain period in the next several days are going to be in the, I think the highs are only going to be mid-30s at most. So we'll just need to make it through that, and we should be good, so.
Oh, this is our, like, oh.
Alright, here is the freezing rain. And it is, what does it feel like?
Oh, I don't know.
Bouncing off my jacket. And you can hear it. Listen, stop. Hear it in the trees? Pretty crazy. What do you think?
Freezing. Cold. Let's go.
Kinda cool.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Alright. So far it looks like sleet.
Going sledding. What will happen?
Woo!
Aubrey, be careful. How was that? The fun? Take care. Woo! Yep, come on, Obs.
snow on the ground. And we're not even halfway through the event. Snow is a given. 4 inches minimum.
So this
Whoa.
isn't good for sledding, but we made good snow angels. And watch this, Dad. Dad, watch this.
Woo!
This is like the only chance it's gonna snow in Belmont is like the chance of pigs flying. The chance of snow in Belmont is an apple growing on an orange tree. Yeah. That Aubrey, wait, try this, Aubrey. Fly.
Woo! God, you get toboggan on.
Try that, Aubrey. I got snow in my face.
Go, Ops.
Oh Lord, I need you now more than ever. Would you put my heart back together? I searched my head just to find out you're dead. Uh-oh.
Girls, what's the trouble?
Aubrey.
We should have stayed at the other hill. Yeah? Care. Aubrey.
Okay, 32. Aubrey!
Yeah.
I'm about to go on this hill and I'm really scared. It's packed snow, so got it. Okay, hold on to that. Perfect.
Yeah, get it. You got it, girl.
Aubrey, you have to hold on very tight. That's fun. Aubrey!
Get it, Care. Woo!
Help me! What? I hit something.
Sunday, February the 1st, and This is the morning after the big snow. I think we probably got 10 plus inches. A lot of this stuff I tried to scrape so you can't really see the depth really good right here, but yeah, this is probably one of the biggest snowstorms I've seen in Charlotte. Today, right now, it's 20 degrees. They're saying the wind chill's -5, and it is cold out here. And there's a little breeze, so yeah, it's a little chilly. So sunny skies today, no more snow, and this ground is, I don't know if you can hear the crunching of the feet, but there is like a layer of ice below, so I will not be driving at all. I don't know when the next time the road will be okay to drive. They're calling for a high today of 35. I think it's going to be cold in that freezing area for the next several days, so it may be a while before we can safely get out, but yeah, that was a huge storm. So yeah, this will be great for sledding today. I think for the kids, they're gonna enjoy this. But we did good. Nobody lost power. I don't think anybody reported any power losses in the area, so that's great. So yeah, I'll take you to the backyard here. We can see what it looks like in the backyard. This is going to take a while to scrape and dry out, so I'll probably have to start working on that today. But you can see all the snow. Started a fire yesterday just to kind of warm up out here a little bit, and the sun's coming out. Not sure how much this stuff's going to melt today, being that it's so cold, but such a cool little snowstorm. This was nice to finally have some good snow in Charlotte. Yep.
So pretty though.
Yeah. What you think, Obs?
It's good.
Fun?
Yeah. It's very deep. It's like 18 inches.
Yeah.
The streets are. Mommy's a visitor.
Yeah.
They're kind of compacted too.
I think it was a deer, a rabbit, or a raccoon.
Correct?
Yeah.
Crunchy.
So fun.
It's actually coming off pretty easily. Considering it's still, what, 32 degrees or something?
Thanks to an Indiana shovel.
Yep. Got 2 shovels going. A big old pile of snow.
Shout out to Mr. Watts for getting us the shovel.
Yep. All the snow. Ready? Here we go. Mr. Josh is going.
1, 2, 3, up.
Get up.
Whoa!
There you go.
Woo!
Look at my
My
face.
face.
Look.
1. Woo! Wow! Whoa!
That was fun.